So yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Okay, fine. It's
I would
well and
suggest
good. Well
you
and
divide
good.
us
Good.
yourself.
I'm happy. Fine. I will divide as per my sheet. Fine. So today we are going. Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start our, you can say, role play. This topic is role play. By the way, who is going to open the session today? Whose turn? I have nominated.
Abhishek Tiwari.
Yes, Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start. Over. Start.
We have discussed in previous lesson. Uh, we studied communication skills. After we discuss about books, there
Okay.
are 20 books. We choose. We select one of them,
Okay.
and after we discuss about Marwadi login in Coursera.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Fine. So thank you, Abhishek. You have prepared very nicely. Now, next thing is that at the end we're going to close the who were nominated for the closing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Arman Ali.
Okay, Arman, please jot it down everything so it will help you a lot. And just a second. For next lab, I am just nominating another two students, Gaurav and Om Prakash. Both of you, please be ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
your sound is not clear.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
yes, I'm
I
listening.
can't hear properly.
You can't hear my voice, but I can hear your voice. Abhishek, mute yourself. Abhishek, mute yourself.
ma'am,
Yes.
I will go to offer namaz today's Jummah. So I will go to last half an hour.
If you want, then you can go, but it will be up to you. Okay. So if you are not going to prepare a closing remark because we require you at the end, so what we can do, Arman Ali, if you are going for this thing, then it's fine. But then on your behalf, who will do on your behalf? Is there anyone? You asked me that you are going for namaz as today's Jummah, but my point is that then on your behalf, who will close the session at 2 o'clock. Gaurav will do. Om Prakash, Pankaj, Saurabh, Udit. Is there anyone
Yes,
to
ma'am.
do on Arman Ali's behalf for today? Arman Ali will, you can say,
Sure, ma'am.
just a
Sure, ma'am.
second. Who will do? Who will?
Udit
Udit.
Raj.
Okay, Udit, you do it. Okay. And when your
Sure, ma'am.
turn will be there, Arman Ali will do it. Okay, Arman? Do you agree? Fine. Today, so instead of Arman Ali, Udit will close the session. Fine. And in the next session, next means for next leg, there will be Gaurav and Om Prakash. Gaurav will begin the session. It means opening remarks, and for Om Prakash, there will be closing remarks. Fine. So now let's start our topic. So what is role play? You can say role play is a speaking activity where we require to speak something. Here it is not like a writing activity, it is a speaking activity. Here your speaking caliber, speaking skill will be judged. Second is act out a given scenario or an imaginary situation. Here what you have to do is you will be given some kind of imaginary or you can say some kind of scene scenario you can say, and as per the scene or you can say as per the given imaginary situation you have to act out, you have to perform. Act out means perform out. And it can involve two or more people. Yes, in role play there definitely there are more than you can say two people. two or more than two people. Helps to spark a brainstorming session. Definitely it will help you a lot for brainstorming session. Brainstorming means discussing session, that and how to discuss and what to discuss, that we will see in the next slide. Then after, improve communication between team members. This is the also one of the most important you can say component, that due to role play you may get sometimes you get familiar faces, sometimes you may get unfamiliar faces, sometimes you sometimes situation and you can say people favors you, but sometimes this thing may not happen. So at that time, we need to learn how to communicate between team members. Some team members we like, sometimes we dislike with them, but then also mutually we have to learn teamwork even, and this is also a part of teamwork. Coordination helps to see problems or situation from different perspective. Yes, when you can say perform a role of somebody else, then only you realize that the problems and situation of from their side, and so that is why it gives, you can say, different kind of perspective, or you can say you will start to think with different kind of angle. Now steps for role play. Here the first thing is identify the situation. Second is add the details. Then after, you can say assign roles. Then after, act the scenario. And the last one is discussion. Now we will see. Now I will tell you what is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. So in step number 1, you can say identify the situation. Here, to start the process, we need to gather the people together and introduce the problem and encourage an open discussion to uncover all of the relevant issues, and this will help people to start thinking about the problem before the role play begins. So this is called identifying the situation. Then after add details, the next step is add details. Here, next set up a scenario. You can see enough details for it to feel real. So it feels like real. Make sure that you can say everyone is all of you are clear about the problem that you are trying to work through, and that you all know what you all want to achieve by the end of the session. So that way, as per the, you can say, achieve target we need to achieve, we have to add the details. Then after, assign roles. In this step, once you have set the scene, identify the various fictional characters involved in the scenario. For example, some of these may be people who have to deal with the situation when it actually happens. For example, salesmen, or you can say salespeople, and others will represent people who are, you can say, supportive or hostile depending on the scenario. For example, you can say an angry client. So once you have identified these roles, allocate them to the people and, you can say, involved in your exercise, and they should you all should use your imagination to put yourselves inside the minds of the people that you all are going to represent. And this allows, you can say, trying to understand uh, their perspectives, goals, motivations and feelings when you enter the situation. Now fourth one is act out the scenario. Now here you all, each person can assume their role and act out the scenario, trying different approaches where necessary. It can be useful if the scenario builds up in intensity. For instance, If the aim of your role play is to, you can say, practice sales meeting, and the person playing the role of potential client, you can say, for example, could start as an ideal client, and through a series of, you can say, scenarios, could become, you can say, increasingly hostile and difficult. So you could then test the practice and different approaches for handling situation. Then after, discuss. When you finish role play, we all need to discuss what we you all have learned, and so that you and, or you can say, the people involved can learn from the experiences. So this is called feedback. Now next is, yeah, Shorab is present, I got it. Now how we are going to conduct it. Now here the lab batch will be divided into four further groups that I will divide. Each group will be assigned a role play situation. I will assign the situation. And now each group will given 5 minutes of preparation time, 10 minutes of execution of the role play situation, and 5 minutes of for feedback. So that I will tell you which kind of feedback, how to prepare feedback, that I will let you know that which kind of feedback you all need to prepare. Here, when comes feedback, then you have to prepare feedback like that way. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it. Here, how you prepare feedback. Here, when one group is presenting, when one group is playing role play is going on, at that time, rest of the groups will, you can say, observe the role play. They will listen it carefully and they observe everything, and then after, rest of the groups will, you can say, give feedback about their performance. And when you are giving feedback, at that time you need to think about this thing. You need to give feedback like three good things and three things for improvements. So here, as I have given you can say examples, like for example, if you are giving the good things, then played the role properly, then the sentence structure was good, organization execution of the role play was good, and we are not using word like, you can say, bad thing. We are using things for improvements. So here, what thing they can improve, so next time their performance will be better. So that's why we are giving things for improvements where they can, you can say, improve themselves. So here first, you can say, need to pay attention on pronunciation, use more technical words, or you can say proper vocabulary. Then after, the role play was short, can add more dialogues. Like that way we have to do. I'm not telling that you have to stick to these three things that I have mentioned in the slide. You can talk about the real thing that you have, you can observe during the role play. This thing you have to discuss. This is called feedback. So good things and things for improvement. That way we are going to give feedback. When one team is performing, rest of the teams, again I'm repeating, other teams are observing, and then after, one by one, each team will give feedback. In this feedback, good things and three things for improvement. You can edit these good things, you can modify as per the performance given by the team. So am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So while one group is performing, you can see the role. While when one group is performing the role, the rest of the groups will observing, as I told you, observing and noting down. Your job is to noting down the feedback. So you have to observe minutely, and then you have to note down the feedback, and at the end you have to share the feedback. So this is the task of group members. The feedback should be constructive and it should help the group members to perform better. As I told you, We should not give feedback like that somebody got hurt. We are giving feedback where they can improve. Okay, so that is why we are not using words like bad things. We are using good things and things for improvement. Why things for improvement? Because where they can perform better, so they can perform better. We are giving constructive feedback. You can see constructive feedback. So this is the, you can say, the way we are dealing with role play. So am I clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's divide the team. So then after I'm going to show you the situation. Okay, just a second. I have to end this presentation. I have to open Excel sheet. Today is fine. Here I am writing down group number. Abhishek and Arman will be. Arman, is you want to go for namaz, so please prepare as soon as possible, so we can take your turn first. Okay, Arman, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you perform first, so you can go for namaz. Next is so here Abhishek and Arman will be in team, in the same team. I'm going to assign him three, roll number three, means three, side number three, that I will show you. You just note down the number that I'm writing now. Four, four, five, five. And this one, Uditraj, in which group you want to go? You are the last one. Three, four, five.
Anyone, ma'am. No
And
problem.
no choice particular, fine. So let's go with group number five. Okay. So here what you have to do is, I haven't written one and two, because the thing is that for group number one we require more students, group number two again we require more students, and we do not have sufficient strength in this lab. So just a second. So all,
Ma'am,
Sumant is present, ma'am.
Sumant has joined, ma'am.
okay, Sumant has joined. Fine. Then Suman and two, 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 two. Done. So you all can see the number. You please remember this number that I have written, because as for this number, I am going to show you the slide. I am going to give you the situation. Number two situation, two means two number situation, four number situation, and three number situation. Okay, fine. So just a second. So in situation number two, you can see, you can take a screenshot. You just read and take a screenshot. Those who are in group number two, first take a screenshot. Then after we will discuss. Just take a screenshot. Team number three, take a screenshot. Team number four, take a screenshot. So two, 3, 4. Okay. And for feedback, you have to give feedback like that way. It is not necessary that you also give feedback like that way. They play the role properly. If you find something, you can use different kind of adverbs and adjectives. Okay, or you can say properly, nicely. So am I clear? All of you has taken the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So now what you can do is, now I'm giving you 15 minutes time. Right now is 12:30. We are meeting at 12:45. Here between this 15 minutes, what you have to do is, as you all know now, your team member, who is your team member, you all can discuss in WhatsApp in simple polling, or you can say if there are more than two, then they can do conference call. You all know, because you all are the students of computer and IT. So I don't think so I need to teach you how to use technology. Whatever way you want to, you can say communicate, you can communicate. But you prepare this role play, and then we are meeting at 12:45 again, and then we will take one by one performance. We will start performance one by one. Okay? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Your time starts now. We are meeting at 12:45. You all prepare a role play, and you discuss as wherever you want to discuss, whatever platform you want to use. Simple phone call, WhatsApp calling, or you can say SMS, text message, whatever. You can discuss in this chat box even if you like, but chatting, not the voice will not. I'm not allowing to unmute yourself. So if you want to do call, conference call, or you can say simple call, WhatsApp calling, it is your choice. Okay, we are meeting at 12:45.
अभिषेक अभिषेक
हाँ मैम।
तो इसमें क्या बोला जाएगा यार?
क्या?
हाँ?
आओ ऑनलाइन आओ ना व्हाट्सएप पे।
आओ आओ।
All of you prepared, or you require more time? Still you require time, or you all are prepared? I'm asking. You require time, then let me know so I can give time. Or if you are all are prepared, then we can start. What is the status?
We are prepared, ma'am.
You are prepared? Okay. What about others? Give me some time. Armanali. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. 5 minute time giving, so you all can wind up everything. Okay.
Is everyone ready? Abhishek,
Yes.
are you ready? Abhishek, Karman, and they are ready.
Fine. So, Orman, you just perform the first. Is you want to go for some kind of for your religious duty, so that's why. Uh, uh, Orman, who is with you?
Abhishek.
Okay, Abhishek, both of you are ready.
Yes.
Your group is free, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Third group.
Good. So let's start, and rest of the team members, rest of the groups, all of you are listening me. Rest of the groups, Gaurav, Om Prakash, Pankaj, Saurabh, Sumant, Udit. So
Yes,
rest.
ma'am.
Okay, rest of the groups will observe minutely, and then after they will give feedback. And I have already told you, I have already explained you how to give it, feedback. Okay, so that you have to note it down, and then from each group, each one of the you can say if there are two students, then one can share the feedback. If there are four students, then one can share feedback. Okay, group wise we will go. So
Ma'am, I
yes.
request to you,
Uh,
please give us a demo, a small demo.
who is there? I'm not.
Ma'am, I am Abhishek Tiwari, and how to how to start?
You required some time.
No, ma'am.
Oh,
Please give us a small demo. How can I start?
how can I start? Means you both can start. For example, you all have written dialogues, right? Abhishek, mute yourself first. Mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Now listen. For example, you both have written your own dialogues, right? So when you have to speak like that way as you all are performing, as you all are talking like talking or you are as you are face to face talking, as you are communicating face to face. Are you getting my point? The same way you both have to speak, right? Am I clear, Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, so Abhishek and Arman, you both can start. Arman, yeah,
Yes,
start.
ma'am.
Hello, Arman.
Yes.
Hello. We are the part of group 3. I
Yes.
would play the role a student A, like a student.
Okay.
And I am a student of B as a professor,
Okay.
Yes,
professor of A.
Okay. Fine.
yes. I would like to say to suggest me how goes to further study after complete my program.
I suggest to you to communicate any other person.
And do you tell me about how I spend the money to go abroad for further studies?
What?
How much I spend the money to go abroad to further studies?
Yes, Arman, you need to answer. What sorry? Sorry for what? You haven't prepared the sufficient amount of time I have given. Abhishek, mute yourself. Just a second.
Am I going right direction or wrong?
Yeah, you are going to the right direction. You are right. To ask.
I I s- I suggest to you, Abhishek, you can go higher study for any other countries like as America and so many. So I suggest to you your your programming and any other skills are good, then you can go higher study for spend. Any other questions?
Um, but we need which type of skills to improve myself.
uh, Communication skills, like as communicate any other persons,
Yes,
uh, practice,
yes.
uh, and so many.
And do you know about a scholarship?
If you hard work and if you are doing hard work, then you will score marks and fill a scholarship forms with from government.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. Mm, how much grades to need going to further studies?
What are you saying?
How much grades need to going further studies?
Your voice is not clear.
Hello.
How much
How much
next?
marks
Yeah.
grades
Oh,
in my current program?
you will be practice and teachings, studying program and any other books, like as you are a student of computer science, then you will be start in C language, any and C++, like as Java, so many things to improve your skills and grades. And one thing is practice. If you are practice, then score grades.
Okay, professor. If we need some problem, then I contact you.
Okay. Okay, done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Chalo. Thank you, both of you. Done. Very good. So now both of you can mute yourself. Now over to the judges. So judges, team number 3 has presented their performance. Now group number 2, give your feedback. For feedback, I'm giving you just 1 minute time. You jot it down everything and then uh, give your feedback, share your feedback. All of you giving you 2 minutes time to prepare feedback, and then after you all have to give feedback, 3 good things and 3 things for improvement. We are not using bad things, but things for improvement, so they can perform well in next time. Okay, and the feedback should be constructive. It should not like destructive. It should not. We don't want to hurt anyone. Okay, so 2 minutes time. Do not write anything in chat box. We will take feedback orally. You decide among your group members that who will going to give feedback. If somebody is preparing, then somebody can speak. That way you can divide your work.
Okay, sir. I will perform it.
So judges ready? Jury?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Team number 2, give your feedback. Share your feedback. Who is going to share the feedback from team number 2? Group number 2, who is going to share?
I would like to share, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Share.
Abhishek and Arman, I know you both have dialogues, but I didn't find the compatibility between the partners. Okay, the compatibility. You must trust that what your partner is going to say, what he will say, you have some answers for that. Okay, the second problem I found is you are not facing the situations. If you want to go abroad, there are a lot of things you need to keep in mind, like visas, scholarships, tax, and the fundings. You can get funding from different departments, not just from government or college. There are a lot of ways, so you miss that part. But except that, it's all good. It was all good. Thank you.
Okay, good, Odit. You have prepared, you have given the right feedback. Now, next thing is, and yeah, all of you, please, all of you, please take this feedback positively. We are not here for to, you can say, tease or to pull anyone, but it is just constructive feedback, so it will help you a lot to prepare in next time. So next, team number 4, who is going to share their feedback? From team number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Please go on.
yeah,
Ma'am,
go. Yeah, Gaurav, share.
I will suggest Arman, don't give up any time.
Gaurav,
And
you are not supposed to give feedback to me, but you are supposed to give feedback to Abhishek. So
yes, ma'am, I am feedbacking to
you,
Arman. Arman,
you have to address them, not to me.
yes, ma'am. Arman,
Yes, yes, yes.
don't give up any time. Uh, that is a bad way.
What?
Don't give up. Sorry is not your solution of your problem. So
Yeah.
don't give up and make be confident. Hello.
Yes, listening. We are listening. You speak.
Yes,
And
yes.
and be confident. Okay.
Okay, fine. Chalo. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for feedback.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you, Gaurav. Thank you, Arman, and thank you, Abhishek, and thank you, all of you done your job. You all have done your job nicely. So now, next team, who is going after group number 3? कौन आ रहा है? Group number 4. चलो, group number 4. Then after we will take group number 2.
Okay.
Okay, group number 4. Now, rest of the teams will observe the role play, and at the end again we all will give feedback. Okay, fine. So group number 4, Gaurav and Om Prakash. Your time starts now. Over to you. You can start.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. In this act, my role is as a Marwari student, university student, and Om Prakash is going to be a new international student.
Okay. Start.
Okay, ma'am. Hello.
Hello, I am listening. Yeah, you both can start.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is not clear from Om Prakash.
We are getting his voice properly. Yes.
Yes, please.
Excuse me. Yes.
You both are.
Yes, ma'am. We are.
You both are.
Yes, ma'am. Now,
Now
You
clear.
both can start.
now it's okay, ma'am.
Start.
Yes, please.
Excuse me. Ma'am, this dialogue is part of
Those
ma'am
who
role.
should know that this is a part.
Yeah, I am
Are you
from
from
Marwari
Marwari
University, and
University?
you? Are you new here?
Ma'am, voice is. I
Are
am
you new here?
Yes, I am joining
From where
you.
you belong to, friend? My name.
What's your name, bro?
My name is
Yes, I am
Gaurav
new
Kumar.
here.
And
What's
you?
your, yes,
My name is Gaurav Kumar.
yes, what's
What's
your
about
name?
you? Oh,
Oh,
good.
my name is Om Prakash Kumar.
Om Prakash.
Yes,
Can I say you
Om Prakash
OP
Kumar.
in short form?
Yes. Tell me about. Yes, tell me about this college.
Om Prakash, from where you
Yes,
belong
you
to?
can say. Sure, it's your child.
From where you belong to?
Yes,
Hello.
I'm basically an international student.
Oh, oh,
UK.
uh, oh, UK.
Yes, can you hear me?
That's good. This is a very good place, bro.
Yes.
So now
Tell me about.
you are
Tell me
my
about this university.
roommate.
I heard more things about this university, but I want to.
This university is the best
Yes,
university
yes.
of
I
India.
have allocated this room.
A plus certificate. Only
So I.
one university is NAC A plus accredited in Gujarat. Our university provides so many facilities,
Oh yeah.
and I think it is the best university of
So good.
India. So, hello, hello, Om Prakash. Hello, Om Prakash.
Gaurav.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
So,
Tell me about hostel.
Oh, hostel. I'm going to talk about our hostel. In our hostel, there is a separate washroom, and in a room only 4 students are allowed,
Yes.
and you may
Yes,
that
Gaurav.
hostel provide AC and non-AC room, and there is a
Gaurav,
two
tell me
lift
about the hostel
for
facilities. What
using.
college you provide? No,
Yeah,
I have no network problem,
I'm
but
going to talk about.
yes,
Yeah, yes, yes. I'm I'm
yes,
going to talk about my
yes.
hostel, our hostel. Our hostel provide AC and non-AC room. If you want to take AC room, then you have to pay some extra money. Okay, and there is two lift for using only for students. This is the
Oh, yeah,
best
yeah.
thing
That's
for
nice.
our students because our hostel is too big, very big. It is 11th floor. It has very
Oh,
well. And
yes,
the best
yes, yes.
thing of our hostel is the hostel provide us a washman. That's why we have not wash our cloth by yourself. Okay,
Oh,
are you listening me?
yes, yes, yes. Tell me
Yeah.
about what's our college. Yes, yes, I'm heard you.
What? Sorry.
I want to say
Any
what's
query?
our colleges provide us.
Um,
The like
you
the
mean
library
what our
facilities.
college?
It's are all free or
What about our college courses?
we are free or not. Yes, yes. Tell me about your in we which type of food. Yes, yes,
Sorry, Prakash. Please repeat once again.
yes, yes. College courses.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I have.
Hello, Prakash.
Both of you done?
Yes, ma'am. There is a lot of network problem, so
Okay,
we are giving up.
fine. So
Okay.
rest of the team members, group members, I'm giving you 2 minutes time to prepare your feedback. Then after we will share the feedback. Okay, 2 minutes time to prepare feedback. You discuss among your group members and then prepare feedback. Okay, and then one will share the feedback. So first discuss among your group members. Yeah, Arman, fine. Okay.
Yes, Gaurav. Gaurav.
Yes.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Due to network problems, our communication
Got
is
it.
gap. Yes.
Got it. Got it.
We have more content, ma'am, but we are not present.
Fine. Fine.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome. So wait for feedback. It's feedback time. So they are rest of the teams are preparing feedback. Okay. So they will share feedback within 2 minutes. Okay. Be ready. Team number 2 and 3 done. Prepare. Feedbacks are ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then who is going to share feedback from team number 2 and team number 3? First, we will take feedback of team number. We can say 2. Team number 2 is you can say Arman Ali is not there, so Abhishek will share the feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Abhishek, over to you. You can share.
And due to network problem, there are many difficulties to communicate between them or myself. So we can't identify what the feedback gets.
Okay, fine. Team number 4, so team number 3, so team number 2, team number 2.
Hello, ma'am. I want to give feedback from.
Okay, team number 2. Okay, yes, yes, Suman.
Hello, hello, Gaurav and Om Prakash. Are you there? Listening me?
Yeah, listen. They both are listening.
Yes.
Gaurav, you performing well in discussion, but your partner uh, not discuss some of the queries which are mentioned in that group number 4, like nearby amenities means Hindi meaning around there, or and you not discuss about the university courses. I know Om Prakash have some network problems issue, otherwise it is, but the main thing in that you doesn't uh, discuss on the university's courses and the amenities on your hostel's room. Thank you.
Okay, then chalo. So
Some words I would like to add, ma'am.
yeah, yeah, definitely.
The same issue was there as I saw in the last scenario. The
Okay,
lack of compatibility, the lack of trust.
yeah,
Gaurav and Om Prakash both rushed their dialogues blindly.
right.
Okay. Both of their dialogues came at the same time and they were like, I told my name and he was asking, what's your name? That
Okay.
there
Udit,
was this issue.
this, Udit,
Yep.
this is due to the network problem. This is due to the network problem, not his fault.
Yeah, yes. Suman, now let me speak. First finish Udit, okay? Let if
Right.
somebody is speaking, we need to listen them because it is the duty that we need to listen them. If you want to say something after Udit and you can start. Okay? Yeah, you do.
Sure, ma'am. Nothing more to add.
Okay, fine. So thank you. Uh, uh, Team number 4, Gaurav and Prakash. Due to some technical error, we can understand, but the main point is mentioned by Sumant, Udit, and Abhishek is that there should be some compatibility. You can say coordination is lacking. Maybe due to poor network, this can be happen. But next time, uh, try to overcome this kind of issues and prepare nicely. Okay, this is the main agenda of this whole place to make you better next time. So now next group is our group number 2. Yeah, definitely. Thank you. Good. This is a good feedback that you all are taking this feedback positively. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Next is group number 2. Udit and his team ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Udit and his team. Uh,
Yes, ma'am. I'm a Saurabh Tripathi. I'm a student of Marwadi University. I'm play a role of Marwadi student.
So the scenario is a student named Saurav of Marwari University and
Yeah.
three other international students are having a cultural debate over the food habits, the types of foods, and the culture of food they have in their countries. So the scene starts. Hello, Saurav.
Hello, Deep. Hello. I'm Saurabh from Marwadi
Okay,
University. I'm a student of Marwadi University.
I am
Where are you
Ashraf
from?
from Syria.
What is your name?
I'm Ashraf from Syria, Saurav.
Yeah. When you come in our university?
I just came 2 days before.
Okay. In
It
which
was
course?
great to see your city. I especially like the food culture here, especially
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
dessert.
Yeah. In which
Yes,
course you come
Saurabh.
you join in
Yes,
Marwadi
Saurabh.
University? Hello.
Hey, Saurabh, good morning.
Hello.
I'm
Good morning. Who are you?
I'm I am Aishak from Syria. I'm the Udit friend. I also
Okay.
with
You also come with?
come with
It was nice
Udit
to see. It was nice
today
to see
ago.
you here.
Yeah,
Uh,
but no any Udit here.
what's the name?
What is the name of?
He's talking about me. My name's Ashraf.
Ashraf.
Yeah, Asraf. I know Asraf.
Sorry. I am Ashraf friend.
Yeah. In which course you admission? Yeah.
I'm not admissions.
We are not here for admission, Saurav. We are just
Okay. Okay.
visiting Marwari University.
Uh, yeah.
We
Yeah.
are only
Uh,
visiting that
yeah.
university.
Yeah. Asraf. What you want to question me?
Yeah, I was
I'm
asking about it.
first of all, I am a Saurabh Tripathi. I'm a student of Marwadi University. I live in here since 2 years.
Okay,
Yeah.
Oh,
so you live here for 2 years.
Yeah.
That's a long time. So you
Yeah.
know
More
well
lots.
about the food
Yeah.
culture
I
here,
know.
Saurav?
Yeah. I know very well.
Can you tell me something about it?
Yeah. In our university, the food. The course of food is very well. What what you want to know me?
what type of
Means, what?
available there and which matlab
Yeah. First of all, in morning, you take a tea and milk and like pohas, and
no
after
no
yeah
I don't want to say. I
yeah
want which type of food like
like
spicy or
sweet.
sweets.
No, sweet. Yeah,
You know,
spicy.
Saurav, sweets
Spicy is
and
already
desserts.
available. Yeah,
Sweets and
Udit?
desserts are very famous in the eastern Syria.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
have
Udit?
different kinds of sweets and desserts made up of beetroots, sweet potatoes,
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
in Syria. In
yeah,
Syria.
yeah. We love a lot of food there, man.
Yeah,
Especially the desserts. The
here
yeah.
sweets.
there's
We don't use a lot of spices there, like in
Only
India.
only two students come in with you.
No,
no
there's one
Yeah,
more of our friend.
yeah
but
one
no,
more
but no any introduce me.
Okay.
I
Could you
think
get
Hello.
us to introduce himself?
for their network issue they he
Yeah,
cannot
yeah, yeah.
Okay,
But
uh,
so
but they want to try to contact me.
yeah if
I think you will not be able to connect anymore.
will
Yeah,
introduce, I will
but
introduce this
but I want to Udit you introduce me. Uh,
Udit
you're
no
all yeah
Ashraf.
yeah Asraf.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, please introduce your all friend.
Yeah, one of my friend you already talked to, and another one of
Yeah,
my friend which cannot
yeah,
join due to some technical issues is
yeah.
Pankaj.
But
He's an
now
Indian, but he
now he's
lives in
joined.
Syria for now.
Yeah, now he's joined.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Pankaj,
Pankaj.
are you there?
But he
He's
has
from
some
India, but he lived in
they have some
Syria with us.
technical issue.
Yeah. I know. Okay.
Clear.
Which type of food eat in Syria, Asraf?
A lot of different varieties. I told you, as we love
There
making
was
food of beetroots, sweet
banana.
Yeah,
potatoes,
yeah,
cauliflowers, and
yeah,
especially the vegetables, the
yeah.
yellow vegetables and the
You eat
pinky and shiny.
you eat only veg?
No,
Yeah.
we eat only vegetarian in the eastern part, but
Yes,
we do have
for the
Syria where you can find all varieties of meat and eggs.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
I'm a vegetarian, for your kind
yeah,
information.
yeah,
but I
I
know.
don't like very much
But
spices.
yeah. Your other partner want to say something.
yeah,
Yeah, you
I
can speak.
understand that I'm not a vegetarian. I'm also
Yeah, you are
non-vegetarian.
not. Yeah, yeah.
I am
What do you eat, bro?
like sheep meat and eggs.
Yeah, yeah. But our university also provide non-veg mess.
I I want to
So so
ask
so
you.
you not facing any problem to eat non-veg.
Hey, hey, so there is any facility in your Marwari University for
Yeah, yeah,
international?
yeah, yeah. Marwari also provide a mess for international student
Because
for
I
non-veg.
hear that I heard that in Marwari University non-veg is not available.
No, no, also available, bro. Who say you non-veg is not available? Non-veg is also available in our campus.
Saurav,
Yeah, yeah, Udit.
have you ever tried zape?
Yeah,
It's a kind of cake. Do you eat cakes, pancakes?
yeah, yeah. In back campus, you always back campus you always get a cake. You want to buy,
Oh,
then you buy back canteen in our
Hey,
college.
so those
There is
cakes
many
are
shop in
vegetarian or
backside areas.
non-vegetarian? Are those cakes vegetarian?
hey, Sharab, please,
Many
please see the chat
in
box.
our university, many students celebrate our birthday. So he just ate a cake.
Hello, Sharab.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
See the chat box. My third partner, the Alsaf Ahmad, want
yeah.
to say
But
hi.
your partner not try to unmute your mic, unmute his mic.
There is some technical issue, friend.
No,
For
no, bro,
for
no any technical issue to press just a key of mic.
you see it. He unmuted mic. He unmuted his mic. You see it.
Pankaj, try to speak. Also, Hamad, try to speak me. I am very interested with you
Uh, okay,
because
Sharab, tell me about
because
your
I
fast
see
food
because
culture.
I see your yeah,
Hello.
Suma.
Tell
Yeah,
me
yeah,
about
Pankaj.
your fast food culture in your Marwari University or
Yeah,
beside.
yeah, yeah. In our university, uh, fast food is also available like a chowmin, bada pav. You know bada pav?
No, 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 no.
In Syria, bada pav is not available, bro.
Vada pav.
You
Yeah,
Indians
yeah,
do eat a lot of spices, don't you?
yeah, yeah. And Indian also eat a lot of spicy.
What
Yeah,
is
but
vada
we
pav?
don't use
We,
that much
Oh, hello,
spices in
yeah,
Syria.
hello,
yeah.
Saurabh. What is vada pav?
But you eat too much of potatoes. What is the main reason to eat potatoes?
Because we cultivate
It
more
gives a
potatoes.
lot of carbohydrates, and potato farming is very easy in Syria. Sweet potatoes,
They
Yeah,
beetroots,
fertilize the area
and
for
those
the
kind of fruits.
please. Yeah, yeah. Udit,
Yeah.
Saurabh,
speak.
Saurabh, hello,
Yeah,
Saurabh.
yeah.
Please tell me about the fast food culture. Like you want what you say, vada pav. What is vada pav? How is
Vada
it
pav
made?
is vada pav is just made by a
Because the
bread.
name is too interesting. That's why I asked you.
You vada pav.
Yeah,
Vada
yeah, yeah.
pav like a spicy. I
Spicy
offer you
food.
a spicy food. Is Syrian like a very spicy food?
No, we don't. At least not in the eastern Syria. But
Yeah,
yeah, we have some Syrians who love Indian food,
yeah.
like Pankaj.
What is the main festival of Syria?
Main
Culture,
What?
festival?
cultural festival.
Actually, there are not many festivals to get celebrated like Indians. Here in
Yeah,
India, there are different religions and cultures, but in Syria, the
yeah,
major and the dominant society is made up of Muslims. We
yeah,
generally
yeah,
speak Arabic, you know?
yeah. You celebrate Eid, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
India, you celebrate Eid, Diwali, Holi.
Because
Yeah,
India
see,
has many
that's the
religions.
different
Many religions.
different
Yeah, yeah,
occasions.
yeah, yeah,
You
yeah,
eat different kinds of foods.
That's why.
yeah.
That's why.
We don't
Different
have
kind
that
of
lot of
people,
variety.
different kind of language. What is the main language of Syria?
Arabic, Arabic.
Arabic.
Yes.
Okay, okay. But in India, English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, and so many languages.
Different cultures and their different variety of foods, you know.
Many also
We love
languages.
eating.
Okay. But I know Syrian is a very cool man.
Yeah, you see, there's always a situation like war. We live in where we can have war at our head.
Okay. What
Bomb
Udit?
can travel at any time. So you see, we eat a lot and we love to eat because anyone wouldn't want to die empty. Or
Therefore, the many Syrians are migrated from there.
Yeah, yeah. In our university, there are many students Syria already have lived here.
Yeah, yeah. For the study,
Many Syrian students, many Ugandas, and many other country people also live in our university.
I'm not.
So so
Not.
you enjoy, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Saurabh.
it was
Nice,
nice talking to you, Saurav.
nice to
Yeah,
meet.
yeah. I also thank you for
Sorry for
I
talking.
that.
would like to invite you.
Hello.
Yeah,
Come
And
sometime to Syria, man.
yeah. I also came. I also came. But now
Saurabh.
you all, but now you all friends enjoy in India, in our campus, Marwar University. Welcome to
Okay.
Yeah,
Marwar University.
Okay.
sure,
Okay.
sure.
Okay,
And
okay.
Saurabh, and
Thank.
also
It
Yeah,
we
was
yeah.
can.
nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, Saurabh.
Yeah, yeah.
And we can also sorry for that. We can not introduce my third partner,
Yeah,
Alsep.
yeah. I know. Yeah, I'll save Ahmed. Yeah. Okay. No problem, bro.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, friend.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
So thank you all of you. Thank you the Udit, Sumant, Saurabh, and one person who couldn't join, right? And the name is Pankaj, right? So Pankaj, Saurabh, Sumant, and Udit, all four performed well. Now over to the judges, team number 3 and 4. They will give their feedback. So 2 minutes time for them to prepare feedback and then they will share. So team number 2 and 3, prepare feedback. We are meeting up.
Yes, ma'am.
So done. Prepared feedback? Yeah, definitely. So team number three, please share your feedback first.
Yes, ma'am. I am securely. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, I'm listening. You can share your feedback.
As my thinking skills, Saurav has done some mistake, and he was not listening carefully what Udit said and what Udit questions, and we can say lack of listening. And last, Sumant and Udit only target to Saurav, like both are bombarding question to only Saurav. Thank you. And
Hello, Abhishek. Hello, Abhishek. Please read the group two content. This is only for the Saurabh. We have to talk only Saurabh because team A and team B. Team B have three students and team A have only Saurabh, who are the becomes from the Marwari University.
okay, but my point of view, Saurabh, mm, Saurabh should have asked question to you both,
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
but he can't. Sorry to give feedback. Then you are better.
Okay, now next group number three.
Yes,
Sorry,
ma'am.
four. Sorry, group number four. Yeah,
This is Om Prakash, ma'am.
yeah, Om
Ma-
Prakash.
During the group members of this group plays played good, ma'am. But in this play, there is they have need. I observed in this role play they have to need to play of attention of pronunciation, ma'am. They pronounce their name more time and various types of name, which is make this role play unlike a noise. It's not clear to who is talking home and who is talking, not clear the character when talking someone like A, and the answer comes from B. It's a communication problem. So who is talking home, it's not clear in this act, but it's good. uh, that's okay, ma'am. That's good, ma'am. Well played, ma'am. All the role plays members. Thank you, ma'am.
So thank you all of you now for those who have performed as well as those who have given feedback. Now I will give my feedback, overall feedback, and then after we are going to take closing remark and then we will end the session. So I will just take your 5 to 7 minutes. What is my observation is that now this is for everyone. First thing is that we need to learn, we need to you can say develop our listening skill, right? The thing is that when somebody is speaking, we are not listening. So take some pauses. Pauses means when somebody is speaking, please let them finish. Whether they are in role play or whether they are in feedback. So if you are performing, somebody has fine. When somebody is performing, for example, if there are four members or two members in the group, then one person is speaking, then first listen them. Then first finish him or her. First, not her because there are no girls. So first let them finish. So if once he finished, then you can start. Generally, what happens when somebody is already speaking and you already started? It shows that you have all haven't decided the question and answer. So that is why the time has been given. You all have to first fix the question that I will ask this question and you will have to answer this question. So if you prepare like that way, then it would be very easier. But don't worry, you all have performed very well, very well. This it means that I haven't expected this much from you all because this is the first level. I was not teaching in previous semester. You all are new for me, and I am new for you all. But then also you have performed very well, and this is the first thing. And Udit, yeah, your language is good, very good. I heard your language, very good. But the thing is that only if in a group one person can't do anything, so you all have to support. And sometimes you all dig your own for you can say dig your own well sometimes when something we do not know, but you Though you are a part of the same group, you reveal this thing, that what is the his name is not Udit, or his name is not Shorab, he is now Arman, he is from Syria, so his name is different. So when you are in,
Ma'am, that's why I took it from the start.
you should be in
Because
unity.
due to technical issue,
That I got it, dear, that I got
yes,
it.
ma'am.
My point is, you should be in unity. If somebody is mistaking, then you don't need to show us that he is mistaking. He is forgetting the pseudonym. He is taking his real name. You are informing us that he is taking real name. Even generally, we don't know that this kind of mistake you have done. But once you reveal this thing, then I come to know that yes, this person has done mistake. So you should be in unity. If somebody is does done mistake, you need to cover it. So learn this kind of skills, okay, because you are in one group, though you have many kind of you can say issues, many kind of grudges in past or in present even, but once you are in a group, you there should be teamwork. Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.
So you are in team, and you it shows, it should show like that you are in team. You should not reveal the mistake of your team member. So otherwise, the rest of the students has done, all of you good, and take this feedback positively. And second thing is that you all have, when the time comes about feedback, first of all, you all talk about the good thing. Good thing means you always start with that you have done very well, you perform very well, but here you are lacking, your team is lacking, and there you need to improve. Like that way, feedback should be like, because we can't directly point out anyone. This is the way. This is a skill of giving feedback. Skill. I'm teaching you skill how to give feedback. So next time, again, this is the first lab. Don't worry. You all will get many chances in future. So there will be, again, in next lab there will be some activity. Again, we will divide the group, and again there will be something. So don't worry. Don't be disheartened. But you all have performed well. And Udit, yeah, I like your language. Very good. You have very good command over the language. And it doesn't mean that all our rest of the students are not good, they are also good. So thank you. And who is going to end the session? I think Udit has taken, right? Udit, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
You are supposed to end the session, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, over to you, you can end the session.
Am I audible?
Yeah, audible clearly.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. In this session of effective technical communication, we have learned what is role play, steps of role play, how to do a role play, what could be the differences between the role play, what to improve, and what not to subtle, or what are the advantages while doing a role play. So overall, I would like to conclude that our role play activity was nice overall, and with this, I would like to end the session. Thank you.
Thank you, Udit. Thank you. You have covered most of the point. And is there anyone who want to say something? And otherwise, we are going to end the session. किसी को कुछ कहना है? So our role play activity was successful. Finally, I want to add this thing. Yeah, successful. It remained successful. Finally,
Excuse
there
me,
are,
ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am,
Okay.
there is a ma'am. You course, ma'am. Email. There is a problem. My course, ma'am.
So
Coursera
you,
course.
okay? I am just telling for Coursera course. Whosoever is finding problem, even Saurav is also facing problem, right, Saurav?
Yes, ma'am. But my problem is solved now.
How you solve?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Can,
ma'am,
ma'am, you share a link, ma'am, on a WhatsApp. I tried to install, then yeah,
yeah,
ma'am.
I have shared one link in Saurav. So this solved your issue or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So fine. So the solution is Om Prakash for you is that you
Yes,
can
yes, ma'am.
message in WhatsApp. I will share you another link, and through this link you have to just log in, and then you have to search this course name in the searching bar, and then after you can enroll for this course. Okay,
Okay, okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am, for solving my problem,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
definitely. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And today all are present, so it is good. And even Arman Ali come back after doing namaz. Very good. Thank you. Chalo, thank you all of you.
क्या बोल रहा था सुमंत?
Recording is going on.
कोई बात नहीं, करने दो।
यही बोल रहे थे कि तुम और सौरभ मतलब डिस्कशन इस तरीके से कर रहे थे कि तीसरे को बोलने
अरे
का
भाई कोई कुछ बोलेगा, हम इसीलिए पहले कि हम पहले सीन बता दिए कि क्या क्या सीन है, ठीक है।
अरे चलो सीन
ऊपर से
बता,
कोई सुनने का नाम लेगा तब तो भाई कोई कुछ सुनेगा।
तो वही
हम
तो
इसीलिए
बोल रहे
पहले अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस किए कि हम, तुम बोला कि नाम बदल देना है कंट्री के हिसाब से।
हैं। सुन सुन ना, उसके बाद इसकी इस समय की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद बात कर रहे हैं जब
हाँ।
तुम्हारा आंसर सौरभ दे रहा था और सौरभ का
अरे
आंसर
क्या
कंप्लीट
बहुत अच्छा है, बंद करो
नहीं
सुमंत।
नहीं कोई बात
हो
नहीं यार,
गया, हो गया, हो गया।
क्या दिक्कत है यार, अपना
बहुत
ही तो
अच्छा हुआ। हाँ बोलो ना, बोलो।
बहुत अच्छा
और आप
हुआ वो।
सबसे अच्छा हुआ है।
अरे हम डिस्कशन इस चीज पे कर रहे हैं कि क्या कमी रहा हम लोग के अंदर, हम ही नहीं कर रहे, दूसरे का क्या देखेंगे हम।
बोलो।
तो वही कमी यही रहा कि सौरभ आंसर करता था, उसके बाद उदित डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन कर देता था। तीसरे को बोलने का चांस तुम 4 ग्रुप मेंबर के साथ कर रहे थे, तो माने कि चौथा नहीं था, तो तीसरे को बोलने का चांस तो दोगे ना। हम बीच में सौरभ सौरभ कितना बार बोलते थे, उसके बाद
वो
देता
अच्छा,
था।
भाई तो
हम भी
तुम
हम भी
बोला तो हम
कंफ्यूज
चुप
हो
हो गए
थे
ना। तुम
कि
बोला तो हम
कौन
चुप
बोल
हो
रहा
गए
है।
कि नहीं हो गए?
तो वही तो बोल रहे हैं, उदित बोलना ही बंद कर दिया, अब मतलब उदित बोलते जा रहा था, इसलिए बोलने का चांस नहीं मिल रहा था। सौरभ भी कंफ्यूज हो रहा था कि क्वेश्चन किसका आंसर दे,
कौन
दो दो
किसका
क्वेश्चन।
क्वेश्चन? हाँ, दो दो क्वेश्चन, सुमंत भी बोल रहा है, उदित भी बोल रहा है। तो
वही
एक
वही
बार
तो
ये
वही
करो।
वही तो हम भी
अरे
बोल रहे
भाई वो
हैं कि
कुछ पूछ रहा, वो
सौरभ
हमसे
डिफेंड
कुछ
करने
पूछा
में ही
तो हम
लग गया
जवाब नहीं
था।
देंगे, ये बताओ ना। तुम
सौरभ
हमसे
केवल
कुछ
डिफेंड
क्या?
करने में ही लग गया था तुम सबको, और सुमंत को बोलने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा था। उदित क्वेश्चन पे क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन,
उदित
सौरभ को
खुद
भाई
स्टॉप
पूछ
कर
ऐसे
रहा
रहा
है।
कुछ
है,
हमसे
सुमंत
क्वेश्चन
भी
पूछा,
पोजीशन पे चढ़ाया हुआ है।
हमसे
हम
उदित
क्वेश्चन पूछा तो हम सिर्फ रिप्लाई कर रहे थे हम।
अरे अरे नहीं, उसके बाद
पंकज तो
रुकता ही नहीं था। तुम हमको बोलने का चांस देगा, तुम दोनों डिस्कशन ऐसा हुआ लग रहा था जैसे कि सिर्फ तुम ही
तुम
दोनों ने
बोला, देखो तुम बोला, हम सिर्फ एक चीज तुमको बोले थे कि
अरे
तुमको
यार,
जो बोलना है बोलो, चुप
जो
नहीं
हुआ
होना
सो
कभी।
सही हुआ, ठीक है। जो हुआ
अच्छा
सो सही
बोलो
तुम
हुआ।
बीच, सुमन तुम उठा रहे थे तो तुम पकड़ के बीच में छोड़ दे रहे थे,
हाँ, लेकिन
समझ
अच्छा
रहे हो?
बोले, अच्छा
फिर
बोले
वहां से
सब।
सौरभ
उदित
पकड़
को
आता।
नहीं बोला बेटर उदित।
भाई पंकज तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं, मतलब क्या दुल्हन की
पंकज
तरह
का
शर्मा
तो
के
अभी भी
बैठा हुआ
आवाज
है।
नहीं आता है, मुझे ना लग रहा है शर्मा के बैठा हुआ
वही तो
है।
बोल रही, दुल्हन की तरह शर्मा के बैठा हुआ है पंकज।
फोटो देखो ना,
ये
फोटो नहीं।
ये जानबूझ के माइक को कर दिया था, वरना बोल नहीं रहा था।
हाँ, देखो,
अरे
अरे नहीं यार, अभी भी नहीं बोल रहा है कि शक ना हो।
अभी भी जानबूझ के नहीं बोल रहा है।
हाँ, कि शक ना हो।
हाँ।
अरे बोल दो पंकज, कोई बात।
मैडम को चालू बनाना, हम लोग को नहीं
अरे
आएगा, स्टूडेंट है।
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है,
आज
रिकॉर्ड हो
नहीं
रहा है।
बोलेगा, आज नहीं बोलेगा।
अरे रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, ये रिकॉर्डिंग मैम कलेक्ट करेगी। रख दो, अब कट कर दो सब।
चलो ठीक है।
अरे बोल रहे हैं यार, आवाज ना जा रहा था, हम क्या करें।
है
हाँ
यार,
देखो देखो, आ गया आवाज।
आवाज आ गया देखो।
अरे सुनना यार, आवाज। हेलो।
हाँ, अब आ गया आवाज, अब आ गया। अब धीरे धीरे बोलेगा, अब रिकॉर्डिंग
अरे
जैसे बंद
नहीं
होगा
यार।
वैसे बोलना शुरू करेगा। चलो अब शांत रहो।
अरे रिकॉर्डिंग सुना, मैम जान जाएगी कि पंकज का आवाज आ रहा था।
हाँ। ठीक है
कट कर।
उदित, सुमन, चलते
हाँ
हैं।
ठीक है, बाय।
अरे
बाय।
चलते नहीं है, सुनो, हेलो।
बोलो
हाँ
बोलो।
बोल।
मंडे को मैम का क्लास है, डिजाइन
हाँ
इंजीनियरिंग लैब है।
हाँ।
वहाँ मैम से सबसे पहले ही पूछ लेंगे कि क्या मैम क्या आती है, क्या मेरा प्रोजेक्ट तैयार है।
हम्म।
अरे आज ही पूछ लेना चाहिए था, मैम हेड थी ना लास्ट, अभी देखो
हाँ
याद नहीं दिलाया पहले
हाँ।
तुम।
उदित
अभी
एक बात
अरे
बोल रहे हैं।
ईटीसी नहीं है भाई।
अरे
उदित
ईटीसी का मतलब नहीं है
उदित
मैम, विधि
तुमको
में
एक,
था नहीं।
तुमको एक
हेड
इंफॉर्मेशन है तुम्हारे पास।
है हम लोग।
आम सुमन तुम प्रकाश ग्रुप में वर्क कर रहे हैं लोग, मतलब मतलब स्टार्ट नहीं किए हैं लोग, मतलब कर लिए हैं लोग, प्रोजेक्ट भी
हाँ,
मतलब
मतलब
कर
उदित हम
लिए हैं लोग,
लोग
क्या करना है।
बहुत सोलो नहीं हो पाएगा हम लोग से जैसा, क्योंकि प्रोग्राम अभी हम लोग से बनाने वाला है नहीं, ना आता है बनाने। तुम्हारे अंदर
मैम
कैपेबिलिटी कर सकते
मैम
हैं।
बोली भी है कि जब तक टीम के साथ कम्युनिकेट करना नहीं सीखोगे तब तक कैसे होगा। अवधि अच्छा बोलता है ठीक है, लेकिन हमको लगता है कि आगे चल के कहीं टीम के कारण
यही चीज तो तुमको समझा रहे हैं, तुम नहीं समझ रहे हो।
चीज तो हम तुमको समझा रहे हैं
कि
कि तुम अभी
कि
से
मेरा मेरा लैंग्वेज कितना भी अच्छा हो भाई, प्रोजेक्ट मेरा बिगड़ेगा ही अगर सामने वाला सही नहीं होगा।
यही तो तुमसे हम बोल
सामने
रहे हैं
वाला
कि
हम तो
साथ में रहोगे अभी से ना, तो अभी से तुम गाइड करके थोड़ा सा हम लोग में मतलब कैसे
वो पता है
अंडरस्टैंडिंग,
उदित उदित,
कैसे
हेलो
क्या
मेरी
काम
बात,
करना है, तुम
उदित
अभी नहीं कर सकते हो, लेकिन तुम बाद में ऐसा नहीं कर पाओगे।
अभिषेक 2 मिनट,
जिसका जैसा
अभिषेक 2 मिनट,
करेगा वैसा ही करेगा, अगर अकेले में वो करेगा तो।
अरे अभिषेक 2 मिनट रुको।
बोलो बोलो बोलो।
सुनो, उस दिन देखो उदित, ये टेबल बनाने वाला जो हम लोग को मिला था डाटाबेस में, याद होगा। तो हम लोग से नहीं बन रहा था, तुमसे टिप्स मांगने गए, और तुमसे टिप्स लेके हम अभिषेक के साथ लगभग आधा से 1 घंटा तक वर्क किए होंगे गूगल मीट पे। नहीं विश्वास तो अभिषेक से पूछ लो, ठीक ना। और उस वर्क को कंप्लीट करके पूरा डन किए कि हाँ पूरी तीनों टेबल बनाए, और कैसे बनेगा एक एक चीज को उसको खोजे, तुमसे पूछे, और पूछ पूछ के बनाए, और सारा चीज देखो आज भी
यही
याद है।
तो तुमको बोल रहे हैं कि हमसे तुम पूछे कि कैसे बनेगा, तुम सॉल्यूशन नहीं मांगे हमसे। समझ रहे हो बात को।
सॉल्यूशन मांगते तो डायरेक्ट पेस्ट करते हैं, उससे बढ़िया हम
हाँ,
तुमसे पूछे।
इसीलिए इसी यही चीज हम भी बोल रहे हैं कि सोलो करोगे तो तुमको अगर दिक्कत है तो हमसे पूछो ना, प्रोग्रामिंग में दिक्कत है हमसे पूछो, हम बताने के लिए हैं वहां पे। लेकिन
लेकिन
ग्रुप में
ऐसा नहीं।
करोगे तो ग्रुप में करोगे तो तुमको एडवाइस नहीं देंगे हम कि तुम ऐसे ऐसे करो, तुमको हम सॉल्यूशन ला के देंगे कि ये करो।
सोल्यूशन ला कर दोगे, लेकिन फिर टीम में कैसे कम्युनिकेशन
सॉल्यूशन
बनाना है ना,
क्या
वो
है।
अभी से ट्राई करना पड़ेगा कि टीम में कैसे कम्युनिकेट तुम कर रहे हो, कैसे कम्युनिकेशन के साथ
ठीक।
टीम को लेकर चल रहे हो। टीम को अकेले तुम जा सकते हो, कहीं भी जा सकते हो, यू आर फ्री फ्रॉम अलोन, बट अगर टीम में करोगे तो टीम को कैसे मैनेज करना है, यही मैनेजमेंट है असली। मानो किसी कंपनी के जाके
देखो
आगे चल के मैनेजमेंट बन जाते हो तुम,
जो समझो
मैनेजर बन
बोलेंगे
जाते
तुमसे सच, टीम से मेरा कुत्ता है, क्योंकि आज
ऐसे
तक हम जितना बार भी टीम में गए हैं ना मेरे लोटिया डुबा है। तुम
अच्छा
विश्वास नहीं करोगे।
एक बात तो सुन लो, अगर हम लोग ग्रुप में वर्क करें या सोलो वर्क करें, काम तो कोई एक ही बंदा करेगा ना, बाकी सबको उसको सपोर्ट करना है, समझाना है, ऐसे कर। क्या कि अब एक जगह है नहीं हम लोग कि एक ही चीज का प्रोजेक्ट चारों मिल के बनाएंगे और चारों पैसा इन्वेस्ट करके एक जगह बना सकते हैं।
प्रोजेक्ट और पैसा इन्वेस्ट करने के बाद बाद में भाई, अभी सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है कि उसका
अभी
ब्लूप्रिंट बनाना है।
ब्लूप्रिंट केवल बनाना है कि कैसे
अभी
होगा।
सिर्फ ये बनाना है कि गाड़ी हमको बनाना है, समझे। तो गाड़ी में क्या क्या लगेगा और उसको कैसे कैसे बनाएंगे, कौन सा पुर्जा कहाँ जाएगा, सिर्फ ये सोचना है।
हाँ तो जिस
तुम
तरह का
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में मत चल जाओ, प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं कर रहे हो, सिर्फ ब्लूप्रिंट बना रहे
नहीं,
हो।
सुनो सुनो, अभी जिस तरह का बात है, हम लोग अभी थर्ड सेमेस्टर स्टार्ट किए हैं, तो अभी उस तरह का ना प्रोग्रामिंग आता है ना और कुछ आता है। मैम जिस तरह कही कि आप आसपास का प्रॉब्लम ढूंढो और उसका सॉल्यूशन ढूंढो, तो हम लोग अभी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन ढूंढने के काबिल नहीं बने हैं, ठीक ना। अभी जो सॉल्यूशन बन चुका है ना, उसी को हम थोड़ा मोड़ा डीपली जान के उसका ब्लूप्रिंट बना सकते हैं। अब तुम कहेगा कि वो चोर पकड़ने वाला क्या कहते हैं डोरबेल या सेंसर ऐसा बनाना, वो प्रोग्रामिंग तुम कर सकता है, बाकी क्लास का कोई बच्चा हम कैपेबिलिटी कन्फर्स्ट कर सकते हैं कि कोई नहीं करेगा, या किसी के अंदर
यही
कैपेबिलिटी
यही
होगी
ये देखो सुमन, तुमको यही बात हम बोल रहे हैं, अभी से कोई यही बात बोल रहे हैं। अगर ग्रुप में करते हैं तो मेरा करने का की, तुम सोलो करेगा ना तो तुम अपनी मर्जी से प्रोजेक्ट चुनेगा कि तुमको क्या करना है। तुम बना बनाया भी उठाएगा तो तुम उस पर कुछ काम करेगा, तुमको कुछ समझ में आएगा। यहाँ तुमको कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा, इसलिए बता रहे हैं। तुम बोलेगा भाई चोर पकड़ने का मशीन बना दे, कैसे बना दिया, क्या हुआ, कुछ पता ही नहीं चला।
हाँ तो ये चीज समझाएगा, ये चीज तुमको समझाना पड़ेगा थोड़े कि हम बैठे हुए हैं, तुम बना लिया एक के बार बना के दे दिया, बोलेंगे हाँ हम भी यही टीम में बन गए।
ऐसे
हमको
होता तो फिर तो क्या बातें होता,
कौन सा
लेकिन ऐसा नहीं
सेंसर का
होता है।
प्रोग्रामिंग कैसे,
इन्वायरमेंटल साइंस का अथी याद है ना।
क्या कोड लिखा है, एक एक चीज पूछेंगे ना, तब होगा कि ऐसे सीधा बना के दे दिया, हम बोलेंगे हम भी इसी टीम में। तुम्हारा कोडिंग क्या किया है, कैसे प्रोग्रामिंग किया है, एक एक चीज सेंसर कैसे अटैच किया है, एक एक चीज पूछेंगे तुमसे बारीक से बारीक, तब हुआ वो ग्रुप वर्क। ये तुम बना रहा है हम देख रहे हैं, ग्रुप वर्क हो रहा है। सोलो से ज्यादा मेहनत लगता है ग्रुप वर्क में।
अभी क्या बोल रहे हो तो?
नहीं कुछ नहीं, अगर इफ यू डोंट वांट।
फाइनल है, मेरा डिसीजन फाइनल है।
हाँ हम लोग भाई ग्रुप में ही बनाएंगे, हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा सोलो। अब ये तुम्हारे मन पे डिपेंड, अगर तुम ग्रुप ज्वाइन करना चाहो तो अभी कर सकते हो, फिर बाद में बीच में तो नहीं हो पाएगा।
हमको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, इसीलिए बोले कि मंडे तुम सीधा मैम से बात करते, क्योंकि मैम को कई बार कॉल किए हैं, तुमको दिखा सकता हूँ कॉल उस पे,
तो
लेकिन
क्या
एक बार
करेंगे
भी
हम?
कॉल उठा नहीं, कई बार रिंग भी
अच्छा,
हुआ तो उठा नहीं।
तुम क्या बात करोगे?
मैम से क्या जो सोलो करना है कि ग्रुप में करना है, कैसे करना है?
चलो मैम बोल देगी तुम सोलो में कर सकते हो
और-
क्या?
हाँ ठीक है
हाँ मैम बोलेगी तुम सोलो में कर सकते हो, तो
भाई, हम तो तुमको भी यही बोलेंगे। हम पहले मैम को सीधा अपना प्रोजेक्ट दिखाएंगे तो तैयार है, उसके बाद मैम बोलती हैं जो भी, मंडे को मैम को दिखा दे रहे हैं तो मेरा प्रोजेक्ट तैयार है, मैम बोलती है कि प्रोजेक्ट चलेगा तो ठीक है। कि देखो, हम सीधा बात बता रहे हैं कि हमको कचरा का डिब्बा बनाने में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। सुमंत बोल रहा है कि उतना भारी प्रोजेक्ट हमसे होगा नहीं, इसलिए हम अभी ग्रुप में नहीं जाना चाह रहे हैं।
तुमको जब मन
समझ
करे
रहे
तब
हो?
तुम्हारा लाइफ है, तुम्हारा डिसीजन है, तुम एकदम अपना
मेरा
जो
लाइफ,
मतलब।
मेरा डिसीजन का बात नहीं है।
हाँ,
अगर मेरा अकेला का होता तो हम अभी तक बना के हम जमा कर खत्म भी कर दिए
हाँ
थे।
वही है, केला का है, तुम्हारा अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस है तो सही है। अब मेरा डिसीजन है,
मैम को हम
हमको
प्रोजेक्ट का
देखो
आइडिया बताएंगे कि मेरा
देखो
प्रोजेक्ट क्या है, मैम
अकेले में
जैसा सजेस्ट करेंगे कि ग्रुप में करो या सोलो करो।
अकेले में हम भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हमको सीखना
कर
है
तो
टीम।
सुमंत भी सकता है भाई, लेकिन करना नहीं चाह रहे हो ना, बात ये है कि करना नहीं चाह रहे हो।
हमको नहीं करना है, हमको सीखना है, हमको इसलिए सीखना है टीम मैनेजमेंट। अकेले नर्सरी से लेकर आज तक अकेले ही वर्क करना सीखे हैं, लेकिन
हम
ग्रुप में कैसे
नर्सरी
वर्क
से आज तक
अब
टीमें
कैसे
वर्क
सीख।
में किए हैं, हमको तो सोलो बहुत कम मौका मिला है सोलो करने का। तो साइंस एग्जीबिशन में हम जाते थे, वहाँ सोलो रहते थे। साइंस एग्जीबिशन को छोड़ के ना, स्कूल में ड्रामा भी होता तो वो कभी सोलो नहीं हुआ।
हाँ तो हम अभी तक टीम वर्क नहीं किए हम, तो देन आई वुड लाइक टू सेलेक्ट टीम वर्क एंड हाउ
हम
टू
हम
बस
टीम
मेक
अपने
वर्क
द।
टीम
इतना
को
किए हैं
लेके
कि
चल
हमको टीम वर्क से डर लगता है भाई, डर लगता है कि हम जब टीम में जाते हैं ज्यादातर कचरा ही हुआ।
तो जिससे डर लगे ना उसको दबा देना चाहिए
याद
सीधा।
होना चाहिए, डर लगे तो आगे तुमको पूरा ग्रुप वर्क ही करना है, भले तुम
हाँ
एक समय
मैं
के लिए।
तुम्हारा इसलिए छोड़ दो, कोई बात नहीं, करो अकेले। ठीक है।
तो बोलने से कुछ नहीं, मंडे
हाँ
को देखते हैं क्या होता है।
हम मंडे को बात कर लेना, तुमको जैसा लगे वैसा करना। तुम अकेले अगर
ठीक।
तुम कैपेबल भी हो कर सकते हो। कैपेबल तो हर कोई है, कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है कि जो कैपेबल नहीं हो, इसलिए कि अगर मेहनत करना हो सब भी करता है, लेकिन मेन बात है कि हम लोग इंजीनियरिंग में स्किल नया नया सीखना पड़ता है, फर्स्टली उसका
चल
टीम
ठीक है, कॉल
वर्क।
आ रहा है, बाद में बात करते हैं।
ठीक है।
ठीक है, ठीक, बाय।